What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Tyler Goes Fishing. I'm Tyler, and today I'm going fishing back at the James River here. It was a hot one today. It was 90-something degrees, which is probably, I don't know, the first time it's been 90-something this year. There's a lot of dark clouds behind me, though, so there might be rain. I don't know. But it's been a little bit of a while since I've had a successful shad day, so maybe I'll see if I can have one of those. It seems to be really low tide, though, so I have no clue. I might also just, you know, throw some other things out there and see what happens. Maybe the shad season is starting to wind down. I don't know. But yeah, let's just get fishing. I don't know, y'all. With the way those clouds look, this fishing adventure might end before it starts. So let's get going. Let's just throw out a shad spoon, see if shad are still running. Let me point you guys down so you can actually see what I'm doing now. Simple little gold spoon. It is such low tide right now. Jeez. Kind of looking around to see what everybody else is doing. Boats are still out there. The 3 of them that are out there. All the other bank anglers, the other 4 of them, are still holding strong. I've casted maybe 15 times, that's it. I've seen a couple jumps. I feel like the temperature has dropped about 10 degrees. It was like 88, 89 when I left the apartment. And now it's, it feels like it's 70. I mean, it feels like it's 70, but the really dark clouds seem to be leaving now. The clouds are going that way. Oh, that was lightning, wasn't it? Oh boy. Well, those other fishermen are still fishing. Am I going to be the first one to quit? Maybe. I don't know. As y'all can see, the darkest part of the clouds are right above us. Mostly leaving now. The rain is picking up. There's all that gray over there. It's definitely picking up. The rain is. Oh boy. I wonder if that's all just rain over there. That's why it's so gray. I was so excited to come shad fishing today. It's a lot of rain now. That's a decent amount of rain. Oh boy. All right, y'all. That's it. That's my cue. I'm done. This is gonna be our shortest video ever. I swear to God, my shortest video ever. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Protect the GoPro. Holy sh**. Look at this GoPro, look at this! My hat, no, my hat, my hat. Oh boy. I'm standing next to the flood wall where I'm kind of guarded from the rain because the wind is pushing it so much that way. Yeah, actually the rock wall right here, or the flood wall, it's actually still dry. The rain's being pushed that way for now. What's even funnier is being soaking wet makes me have to pee really bad. Oh, that's hardcore lightning, yo. Do you think the cement wall will take a lightning bolt before I do? All right, my little protective wall is becoming less protective. as the wind is died down, so now the rain's kind of coming straight down. I don't know, I'll give it like another 60 seconds. If not, I'm just gonna have to haul ass back to the car. Actually, you know what? That's kind of a lull right there. Let's go. Oh, is that the sun I see? Huh? Y'all can see the clouds over there. I don't know. Maybe this will pass. I mean, I'm already drenched, so I don't know if I even have the motivation to stay out here. All right, well, as you guys can tell, the sun is back out. I think I might just fish next to this bridge just for the heck of it. Also, the people that were fishing here have fled, so it's pretty much empty. Ooh, fish, got a fish. I think it's a shad. I'm using a shad spoon. I switched to a shad spoon. But I think I got one. Woo! Ooh, there we go. There we go. So the shad are still swimming in the James. Oh my gosh. This one is good size. Look, that is a good one right there. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Is that good one? Let me get this out of you. Okay, bye-bye. All right, so there's still life in here. I thought I was gonna get hung up on the bottom. Go away, bye-bye, swim away, bye-bye. Thought I was gonna get hung up on the bottom. So like fighting that guy, or that female probably, against the current with this medium rod felt super fun. I'm not gonna lie. Is that a fish? Oh, yep. Yes, I have a fish. I have a fish. This is cool. I'm glad today turned around. Uh-oh, did I snag him? Oh, I did. I snagged you, buddy. I'm sorry. Let me get that off you. Let me get that off you. Bye-bye, fella. Right through the gut. That's unfortunate. Unintentional, my friend. Unintentional. Fish? Yes, fish. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, we got a white perch. Nice. It's a pretty fat one, actually. Nice. Very, very nice. That's a nice one. Look at that belly. Fantastic. There you go. Bye-bye, fella. Third fish of what I thought was going to be a crappy day. Well, it's been a little while since I've done an outro from my car, but here we go. It started off pretty crappy. Really terrible weather. I'm still soaked several hours later, but I was able to salvage a good day of it. One shad, one white perch, and the smaller one I foul hooked. I'm not sure exactly what it is. It's probably just some other type of shad. It's got the little black dot. Whatever, if you know what it is, comment below. So if you stuck around this far, thank you so much. Y'all are the best. Thank you for your continued support, and I guess I'll catch y'all next time.